Hello everyone, welcome to my next video. In this video, we will study about how we can create database and DDL commands in SQL. As we know children, data definition language command, that is DDL commands, as the name suggests, allow you to perform tasks related to data definition. That is, through these commands, you can perform tasks like create, alter and drop database objects, that is tables, views, etc. Children, before you start creating tables, you need a database, which is the container of tables. The database acts as a central point of administration for the tables in the database. The actual data is stored in the tables, which provide a structured organization for the data and maintain the integrity of the data. To create tables, either you can create a new database or use an existing database. So children, you create new database before you create a group of some tables pertaining to a specific applications. The first step in setting up a MySQL database is to create the actual database object which serves as a container for the tables in that database. For this, we make use of create database command. This command is used for creating and defining database. The syntax for this command is create database if not exist followed by the database name. Always remember children, each and every command or statement within a MySQL is terminated with the help of semicolon. Is that clear children? The if not exist clause, if used, will first test whether a database by the mentioned name already exists or not. If it does, then create database command is simply ignored. Otherwise, a database with the mentioned name is created. We can understand it with the help of following example. Like create database if not exist India. It creates a database having name as India if there is no database by the name India already existing. And this one children, create database India. It creates database having name as India. Children, creating database is not enough. Before you create tables in it, you need to open the database. To open a database, you simply need to write the statement as per the following syntax. That is, use database name semicolon. We can understand it with the help of following example. Like we make a database India. So for opening that database, we make use of use command. Like this, use database name, that is India. The only thing you need to ensure before opening a database is that it must already exist. That is, it must be already created. To check the names of existing database, you may write the following command, that is show databases. Show databases command is used to show the list of the existing databases. Children, sometimes you need to remove a database when you don't need it anymore. But before making this decision, do make sure that you don't need data stored in different tables of the database. This is because when you drop a database, all its tables also get removed along with the database. To remove a database, you need to issue a command with the following syntax, that is drop database followed by database name semicolon in the last. Example, if we want to remove the database with the name India. We can give a command drop India semicolon. Now that you know about how to create and use databases, you can move on to creating tables and adding data to them. Create table command. This command is used for creating or defining tables. When a table is created, its columns are named, data types and sizes are supplied for each column. Remember children, each table must have at least one column. The syntax of create table command is create table, table name. After that, circular braces like a function. That means in the manner in which we have used the function. Column name, data type, size if it is mentioned. Next column name, data type, its size. In the similar manner, we can declare number of columns and followed by a semicolon. We can understand it with the help of following example. Suppose to create an employee table whose schema, or we can say it contains following fields like e-code, e-name, sex, grade and gross. Okay? So we can write the command create table employee, e-code as integer type, e-name as char data type holding 20 characters, sex having char data type having 1 character at least, grade as char data type having 2 character at least, gross having data type decimal. Remember one more thing children, before issuing a create table command, make assure that its parent database has been opened using use database command. I hope you all understand matter very well. Stay with us for the next video. Till then, bye bye.